Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp audios. First, open the Play Store on your Android device. Search for Doodleet Pro and tap the Install button. After installation, open Doodleet Pro and allow all necessary permissions. Now, using a second WhatsApp account, send an audio message to your main WhatsApp account. After sending, delete the audio for everyone. The audio will no longer be visible in your main account, but don't worry. Open Doodleet Pro, and the app will automatically detect the deleted audio. Select the audio file you want to recover. That's it. You've successfully recovered a deleted WhatsApp audio using Doodleet Pro. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.